For this assignment, I chose to do the femur, which is here, the patella, which is on the other side, and the tibia, which is here. We're going to start with the femur. The femur is the largest, heaviest bone in the body, and on the femur we have the head here, and the head articulates with the acetabulum of the pelvis, which the pelvis is here. On the head we have the fovea capitis, which is in here, on this rentoskeleton. There's a string going through it, and that is the ligament attachment site. We also have the neck, which is this area right there. Then we have the greater trochanter and the lesser trochanter, which are both muscle attachment sites. We have the intertrochanteric crest here. And then we have the gluteal tuberosity, which is the muscle attachment site for the gluteus maximus. We have the linea aspera, which is here, and that is another muscle attachment site. And then we have the intercondylar fossa, which is this depression down here in the knee, and then the lateral and medial condyles. And the lateral and medial condyles are both articulate with the lateral and medial tibial condyles, which are found on the tibia. We also have the patellar surface, which is back in this depression, or if we turn around the skeleton, I'll teach you about the next bone, which is the patella. The patella is the kneecap, and it's this big bulge on both both knees right here, and it's also known as the kneecap. And underneath of it is what is called the patella surface. So that sums up the femur and the patella. And lastly, we have the tibia, which is here, and on the tibia we have the medial and lateral condyles, which both articulate with the femur's lateral and medial condyles, like I said before, vice versa. And then we have the Then we have the tibial tuberosity, which is in this little V-shaped area right there, and that is the attachment site for the quadricep muscles. And then lastly, we have the medial malleolus, which is this area down here, this little bulgy area right here on the end of it, and that is the palpable medial angle, medial meaning middle, and it articulates with the talus, and the talus is part of the tarsals, which is the ankle down here. So it articulates with part of the ankle, part of the ankle bones, the tarsals. And then the very last thing I wanted to teach about was the intercondylar eminence, which is this part right here. It's got a metal bar going through it. The intercondylar eminence is here, and that is a kind of like a raised surface that is both anterior and posterior to the intercondyloid eminence, and it serves as the attachment site for your ACL and your PCL, which are both your anterior and posterior cruciate ligaments. Alright, so that is your femur, your patella, and your tibia. Thanks for watching.